Okay, let's solve another problem. So this is integral of x plus 2 raised to the second power all over x squared plus 2x plus 2 raised to 2 then. So dx. So both are raised to the second power. So this is x plus 2 raised to the second all over x squared plus 2x plus 2 raised to the second power. So notice that this is non-factorable quadratic factor repeated twice. So again, equate lang natin siya into its associated partial fraction. That's a times the derivative of the denominator x squared plus 2x plus 2 plus b over x squared plus 2x plus 2. Since repeated, so that is c plus d over x squared plus 2x plus 2 raised to the second power. So this is just the derivative of this denominator. So lalagay ko na lang 2x plus 2 as the derivative of this denominator. And syempre, ilalagay ko na lang din dito yung 2x plus 2 as its derivative. So then, i-multiply natin siya with its LCD x squared plus 2x plus 2 raised to the second power. So that this gives us x plus 2 squared is equal to a times 2x plus 2 multiplied by x squared plus 2x plus 2 since may matitira tayong isa pag minultiply natin sa LCD plus b multiplied by x squared plus 2x plus 2 plus c 2x plus 2 because that cancels out plus d. So if you expand this and expand this, magiging x squared plus 2x plus 4 equals a quantity. This times that is 2x cubed. This times that is plus 4x squared. This times that is plus 4x. Then second term times that's 2x squared plus 4x plus 4. So, plus b times x squared plus 2x plus 2 plus c times 2x plus 2 plus d. So, using equating coefficients, kailangan muna natin i-combine lahat ng mga magkakaparehas. This is 2x cubed. This one and that one is plus 6x squared. 4x squared plus 2x squared is 6x squared. We have plus 8x plus 4. Because we have here 4x and 4x joined together is equal to 8x. So the highest exponent appearing is x cubed. 0 on the left. 2 times a is 2a. b wala, c wala, d wala. So therefore, it's easy as that. A is equal to 0. For x squared, we have 1 on the left. 6a. 6 times a. b is there, so that is b times 1. c wala, d wala. So since a is 0, then b is equal to 1. Since a is 0. Para kay x, that's 2 on the left. We have here 8a. 8 times a plus 2b. c, that's 2c. d is wala. So again, this is 0. 2 times b, that's 2 times 1 is 2. Transposed to the left is 0. Then c is also 0. Then for the value of d, magkakaroon tayo ng constant term. That's 4 equals a times 4. So that's 4a. Kay b ay 2b. Kay c ay 2c. That's 2b, 2c, and then we have here plus d. A and c are both 0. b is equal to 1. So you have 2 times 1 is 2. Transposed to the left is 4 minus 2. Then d is equal to 2. So we solved for the values of a, b, c, and d. So this is equivalent to a. That's 0 times 2x plus 2 plus b 1 all over x squared plus 2x plus 2 plus the value of c, that's 0 times 2x plus 2 plus the value of d is 2 all over x squared plus 2x plus 2 squared. Rewriting the given integrand becomes integral of x plus 2 over x squared plus 2x plus 2 raised to the second power dx is now equal to integral of 1 over x squared plus 2x plus 2 1 all over x squared plus 2x plus 2 plus the value of a kasi is 0 and c is 0. So maganoon ako yung 2 over x squared plus 2x plus 2 raised to the second power. Of course, dx. So integrate natin yung first term. That's integral of dx over x squared plus 2x plus 2 plus 2 integral of dx over x squared plus 2x plus 2 raised to the second power. So this one, gagamit tayo ng inverse tangent. Ito, gagamit tayo ng trigonometric substitution. So gamitan muna natin to ng inverse tangent. So by completing the square, magiging dx over x squared plus 2x plus 2. So dividing 2 by 2, that's 1 raised to the second power. Mag-a-add ng 1, magsusubtract ng 1. So same is true with this one. So that's dx over quantity x squared plus 2x plus 1 plus 2 minus 1. So same lang naman kasi siya. So raising to the second power. So this now gives us integral of dx over, this one is a perfect trinomial square. So that's x plus 1 raised to the second power. 2 minus 1 is 1 plus 2 integral of dx all over x plus 1 squared plus 1 raised to the second power. So this is simply if u square is x plus 1 square, our u is x plus 1, du is dx, a square is 1, a is 1. So using basic formula, so that's 1 over a arctangent u over a. So ay na tayo dito sa first term. So puntahan muna natin yung, so sige, let me finalize this first. 1 over 1 arctangent x plus 1 over 1. So, ang first term natin is simply arctangent x plus 1. So, let's focus on this second term. So, u square is equal to x plus 1 raised to the second power. U is x plus 1. A square is 1, then a is equal to 1. So, using trigonometric substitution, u is equal to a tangent of theta since meron tayong u square plus a square. So, this is x plus 1 is equal to tangent of theta. Then dx is equal to secant square theta d theta. So this is now equal to, so eto munang integrand na to ang kunin natin. So let's go back, let's go dun sa susunod na slide muna. So that's integral of dx over x plus 1 squared plus 1 squared. So this is integral of dx, that's secant squared theta d theta, all over x plus 1 raised to the second power is tangent squared plus 1. So magkakaroon ako dito sa baba ng tangent squared theta plus 1 raised to the second power. So this is equal to secant squared theta d theta over, using Pythagorean identity, this is secant squared theta equal to 1 plus tangent squared theta. So that is simply secant squared theta raised to the second power. So that is integral of secant squared d theta over secant to the fourth theta. That is simply equal to d theta over secant squared theta, which is integral of cosine squared theta d theta. So gamit ang powers of sine and cosine, case 2, so this is equivalent to 1/2 times the quantity 1 plus cosine twice the angle d theta. So integrating, magkakaroon tayo ng 1/2 integral of d theta plus 1/2 integral of cosine 2 theta d theta. So that's 1/2 theta plus 1/2 times 1/2 sine 2 theta. Kasi magpo-provide ako ng 1/2 and then magko-compensate ako dyan ng 1/2. So this is equal to 1/2 theta plus 1/4 sine twice the angle. So kung babalikan natin yung ating integrand, magigilang siyang 2 times the quantity 1/2 theta plus 1/4 sine 2 theta. So ito yung second term. I-write natin lahat siya dun sa susunod na slide. So, ang integral ng x plus 2 over x squared plus 2x plus 2 squared dx is now equal to yung first term natin na 1 over 1 is 1. Arctangent of x plus 1 over 1 is arctangent x plus 1. So, that's our first term. Arctangent x plus 1. Then, yung second term natin is plus 2 times 1/2. I-rewrite ko muna bago ko siya i-simplify. So, magkakaroon ako dito ng 2. 1/2 theta plus 1/4 sine 2 theta. Of course, plus c. So, this is now equal to arctangent of x plus 1 plus theta plus 1/2, 2 times 1/4. Sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cosine theta gamit ang ating double angle identity for sine. So this is now arctangent of x plus 1 plus theta, which is from our substitution, we have x plus 1 is equal to tangent of theta. So from our substitution, x plus 1 is tangent of theta. So therefore, theta is inverse tangent of x plus 1. And from there, makakabuo tayo from the definition of tangent theta, that is x plus 1 over 1, gamit ang TOA, opposite x plus 1 over adjacent 1. So this hypotenuse is x plus 1 squared plus 1 square root. So that's square root of x squared plus 1 plus square ng 1 is 1. So that is theta, which is arctangent of x plus 1 plus 2 cancels out. Magkakaroon tayo ng sine theta, which is x plus 1 over the square root of x squared plus 2x plus 2, because once we simplify that, expand natin yon, magiging 2x plus 1 plus 1. So that is x squared plus 2x plus 2. Multiplied by cosine, that's adjacent 1 over the square root of x squared plus 2x plus 2 plus c. So finally, combining the two terms, arctangent x plus 1 plus arctangent x plus 1 is twice of that, plus x plus 1 all over x squared plus 2x plus 2, since square root times square root is magka-cancel out yung square root sign, plus c. So therefore, this is our final answer to the integral of x plus 2, quantity x plus 2 all over x squared plus 2x plus 2 raised to the second power dx.